Today a reader, tomorrow a leader. SSET Englishtown.
Okay guys, so today we're going to learn Unit 7 cell phone messages.
Yes.
Okay, so actually last Wednesday, we studied the vocabulary for Unit 7. So today we're going to take a test for Unit 7, okay? Okay, so, sorry Dorothy, but could you give me the vocabulary list for me?
Here.
Yes, thank you. Okay guys, so you ready, right? So, number one is comparative form of cheap. Comparative form of cheap. Number 2, having value. Having value. Number 3, communication. Communication. Okay, number 4, get something. Get something. Get something. Get something.
Only that?
Yes, get something or take a delivery of message. Get something, take a delivery of message. Okay. And number 5, examine something. Examine something. You know, after we finish our test, we need to our answer. Good. And number 6, midway through linguistic or literary development. Midway. Midway. Okay. And number 7, a highway that can be used without paying a toll. A highway that can be used without paying a toll. And number 8, push against something. Push against something. Push. And number 9, 2, relating to or consisting of 2 people or 2 things considered together. 2 things. Okay? And the last one, guys, this portable phone, this smartphone. Okay, so guys, let's switch the paper. Okay, let's switch the paper. Oh, sorry, Dorothy.
Can I erase it?
Oh yes, of course. I'm going to give it I'm going to erase it for you later. Okay, sorry, Dorothy. Okay, so guys, what is number 1?
Cheaper.
Good, cheaper. Number 2,
Useful.
good. Number 3,
Message.
good. Okay, number 4,
Receive.
yes, receive. This is the same meaning of get, okay? Number 5, check. And number 6,
Middle.
yes, middle. And number 7,
Freeway.
yes, freeway. Number 8,
Press.
yes, press. Number 9,
Both.
Yes, both. Number 10.
Cell phone.
Yes. Cell phone. Okay. Good. So please give it to the owner. Oh. Okay. Oh, sorry, Dorothy. It left a mark. It's okay. Yes, sorry. Okay, guys. So I'm going to check. I will check your score. Okay, so where is it? I won't bring it today.
Good.
Okay, so guys, I want to know your score. So Dorothy, how about your score? What is your score?
100.
100. Oh, and you missed just one? Oh, you did good job, West. Right? The word 3 times, okay? And you won 102? Very good. Oh, I'm going to stop this. Okay, here it is. Okay, here it is. Good job. Okay, and write the word receive 3 times, West. But you did really good, okay? You did really good.
You should check the dictation.
Yeah, that's right. So guys, actually Unit 6 was the homework, right? It was a homework, right?
Yes.
Okay, so, West, actually, I got the calendar here for you. So please put this in your backpack. And let me see. Oh, you did. Good job. And Dorothy, you did too.
I didn't know.
Oh, you did here? Okay, good. And how about you? Unit 6. Good job. Okay. So check the dictation here. Okay? By yourself. You can check the words like hey Steve, look at. Hey Steve, look at. Okay? Okay.
Unit 4, bird watching. Unit 7, cell phone messages.
Guys, if there any mistake, please write the word 3 times, okay?
Yes.
weekend. Good?
Yeah.
So stay home.
Now I visit my grandparents.
Grab what?
Grandparents.
Grandma's?
Yes.
Good. Yeah, I think the room is a bit hot, isn't it?
Teacher, please check.
What should I check? You wrote 3 times here?
Yes.
What is it?
Item.
Item? What is it? Item? Right? Oh, you did good, Ellie. Okay, and Dorothy. Okay, so you can check the answer from Ellie. Okay? Ellie, please show her the answer. This is answer.
Okay.
Do you pay for the item when it comes? Yes. No. You have to pay online with a card. Good
Yes.
job, West. You did really good. There's only one mistake on. Yes. Actually, in front of E, you need to write on. Okay. But we did really good. Okay, guys. So now we're going to listen Unit 7. Okay.
No,
Right? Isn't it?
yes, no vocabulary.
So before we start listening, guys, let's do number A. By yourself, number A.
Number 8.
Part A. New words. Okay? New words. Do it by yourself.
Finish.
Finish. Okay, hold on, please.
Finish.
Finish. Guys, let's do this together. Okay? Okay, West? So, number 1, Dorothy, did you?
Receive a cell phone call from your sister last night.
Yes. Number 1 is, did you receive, right? Did you receive a phone call from your sister last night? Okay, and number 2, Ellie.
Please check to make sure you have all your things before getting off the airplane.
Good. Please check to make sure you have all your things before getting off the airline. Okay? No, airplane. Good. Okay. And number 3.
I sent a message saying that I could not come to their party.
Very good. I sent them a message saying that I could not come to their party. Okay. And number 4, Dorothy.
I use my cell phone to make calls when I am away from home.
Good. I use my cell phone to make calls. Okay. Cell phone. Good job, Beth. Number 5, Ellie.
A cell phone is a very useful thing to have.
Okay. A cell phone is very useful thing to have, right? Okay. And number 6, West.
There is donut jam in the middle of the
Okay. Middle of this donut, right? Okay, good. So, number 1, receipt. Number 2, check. Number 3, message. Number 4, cell phone. Number 5, useful. Number 6, middle. Okay? So now we are going to listen to the CD. So let's do number P. Okay? Listen.
Unit 7.
Unit
Cell
7.
phone messages.
Mm-hmm.
I need to check my messages.
How are you going to do that? We are in the middle of the freeway.
I'm going to use my cell phone. Haven't you ever done that?
No, I just use my cell phone to talk to other people.
Now you can also use a cell phone to send and receive short text messages. It's very useful.
How do you send a message that way?
I just use the keys on the phone to type a short message. Then I press the send button. It's cheaper than making a phone call.
That's a great idea. You can save both time and money that way.
Right. All my friends usually send me text messages now.
Thanks for telling me about this. I'll have to try it.
You're welcome. I think you'll find it useful.
Okay?
Unit 8. Bubbles in
Fine.
boiling
Let's
water.
listen one more time. Okay?
Unit
And-
7. Cell phone messages.
Try to do number C. Okay?
I
Focus on
need to
details.
check my messages.
How are you going to do that? We are in the middle of the freeway.
I'm going to use my cell phone. Haven't you ever done that?
No, I just use my cell phone to talk to other people.
Now you can also use a cell phone to send and receive short text messages. It's very useful.
How do you send a message that way?
I just use the keys on the phone to type a short message. Then I press the send button. It's cheaper than making a phone call.
That's a great idea. You can save both time and money that way.
Right. All my friends usually send me text messages now.
Thanks for telling me about this. I'll have to try it.
You're welcome. I think you'll find
I
it
didn't
useful.
do it. I can't listen, but I just check and write.
Okay. So let's do it together. Okay? So actually there's a man and a woman. They are in the middle of the freeway, right? So they are trying to send a message, right? Good. So number 1, let's do it together. Well, what does the woman want to do with her cell phone?
Check my message.
Check her message?
Yes.
Okay. So I'm going to read the dialogue one more time. Yes, okay? So this is a dialogue between woman and man. So woman said, I need to check my message. So man said, how are you going to do that? We are in the middle of the freeway. So woman said, I'm going to use my cell phone. Haven't you ever done that? Man said, no, I just use my cell phone to talk to other people. So woman said, now you can also use a cell phone to send and receive short text messages. It's very useful. So man said, how do you send a message that way? Okay? So woman said, I just use the keys on the phone to type a short message. Then I press the send button. It's cheaper than making a phone call. So man said, that's a great idea. You can save both money and time right away. So woman said, right, all my friends usually send me text message. So now, woman and man, they are talking about sending a message. Okay? Not checking a message. Okay? So the woman, she wants to send a text message by using cell phone. Yeah. So number 1, she wants to send a text message. Isn't it? Number 3. Yes.
For to send it, I need to check my messages. Yes.
Yes. So first thing is she wants to check her messages, and then she wants to send a message. Okay? So after all, she wants to send a text message. That's what she wants to do. Guys.
What?
Oh. Okay. Sorry. So the one thing she wants to do was actually she wants to check her message. And then they are talking about texting a message, right? Oh, sorry guys and Dorothy. Actually, the answer is A. Sorry guys. Number A is the answer. Yes, you guys are correct. Okay. Yeah, she wants to check her messages and then they are talking about sending a messages, right? Good. Okay. And number 2, Dorothy. What is not true about sending a short text message?
It costs more than a phone call.
Good. Number T is the answer, right? Actually, sending a text message is cheaper than calling a phone call, right? So number D is the answer. Okay, so last, when you check the answer, mark your answers too, okay? Good job. Oh, okay, and Ellie, can we check the number C, focus on details this time? Is that okay? You did?
I need to check my messages.
So, number one, okay. So what? Ellie, what is the answer? Number one, I need to check. Yes, check my messages. Yes, check my messages. Okay, and guys, what is number two?
Cell phone.
I just used my cell phone. Good job, cell phone. Okay, and last, what is number three? Now you can also use a cell phone to send and
Receive.
yes, receive. Yes, receive. Good job. Okay, and Ellie, one more time. All my friends usually send me text messages. Okay, messages. There should be S at the end. Messages. But are you cold? It's okay. Okay, so messages. Good job. Okay, so guys, this time page 27. Okay, so this is summary part. Okay, so guys, you're going to listen one more time and order it. Okay?
Boiling water.
No.
Unit 7.
Unit
Cell
7.
phone messages.
I need to check my messages.
How are you going to do that? We are in the middle of the freeway.
I'm going to use my cell phone. Haven't you ever done that?
No, I just use my cell phone to talk to other people.
Now you can also use a cell phone to send and receive short text messages. It's very useful.
How do you send a message that way?
I just use the keys on the phone to type a short message. Then I press the send button. It's cheaper than making a phone call.
That's a great idea. You can save both time and money that way.
Right. All my friends usually send me text messages now.
Thanks for telling me about this. I'll have to try it.
You're welcome. I think you'll find it useful.
Okay. Okay. So, number one. Oh, Dorothy, what is the first sentence?
The woman wants to use her cell phone to check messages.
Very good. The woman wants to use her cell phone to check her messages. Good. And then Ellie.
The man and woman are in the middle of the freeway.
Good. The man and woman are in the middle of the freeway. And then West.
The woman explained how to send a text message with a cell.
Oh, isn't it?
The man says he
Yeah. First thing is the man says he only uses his cell phone to make phone calls. Okay? And then the woman explains how to send a text message with a cell phone. Okay? Got it? Okay, and number 5, the fifth sentence is the man thanks the woman and says he will try it. Right? So the order is 2, 3, 4, 1, 5. Right? That's 2, 3, 4, 1, 5. Oh, you mistake these two? You switch that? Okay, now you get it? Okay, good. Okay, guys. So, this time the homework is dictation.
Unit 7.
Unit 7. Page 27. This is the homework. Okay? Yeah.
Study.
Yes, and then, guys, we don't have enough time, so, guys, quickly bring out this vocabulary list. We're going to take a test. Unit 8. Yes, I'm going to give you time to write the homework book, so please bring out this vocabulary list. Ellie, this is vocabulary list first, because we are going to take a test this Wednesday. Okay, so Unit 8. Good. So Substance such as air. Guys, you know what is gas, right?
Yeah.
Gas. Good. And Ellie, what is the second word?
Disappear.
Yeah, disappear. Vanish from sight. Okay? Guys, disappear, this is the opposite word of appear. Okay? So guys, this is the opposite word of appear. Okay? Disappear is like this. Julie teacher is here, but she is disappeared behind the door. Okay?
Yes.
Disappear. It is the opposite word of appear. Okay? But find the opposite word. Write this arrow and the word appear. Okay, and what is the third word, Ellie?
Escape.
Escape. Escape. Guys, escape, please circle the break free. Okay? Escape. It is break free. It is like this. Yes. Do you know the 방탈출 game? Yeah, you know 방탈출 game, right? So it means that we need to escape from the room to win the game, right? So this is the escape, okay? Good. And fourth word, last, what is fourth word?
Boil.
Boil. Guys, boil. Guys, circle the heat and boiling point. Heat and boiling point. Okay. So when you want to eat some eggs, guys, we usually put the eggs in the bowl, okay, in the big pot, and we put all the eggs in the big pot here, right? And then we heat it up then, okay? So now we can boil the eggs, right? So boil. Boil, it means it gives some heat and reach the boiling point. We can boil the eggs and we can boil the ramen, okay? Boil. Good. And Ellie, could you read number 5th word?
Bubble.
Bubble.
Finger-shaped air filled.
Okay, guys. So you know soap, right? So when you rub the soap, there is a bubble on your hands, right? Bubble. Bubble. And yes, bubble. When you touch and you stop the soap, there is a bubble on your hands. Bubbles on your hands. Good. And next word, last, could you read next word?
Drop.
Dropped.
Rounded
Portion of liquid. Guys, the drop is like there's a water and I just drop the one water, drop down here. Okay? The drop is like this. Okay? This is drop. Okay?
Oh, until those.
Yes. So this time, this is just a noun. It's like there's a water, and I just put the small of water just here. Okay? This is drop. Okay? Good. And Ellie, read next word.
Vapor.
Vapor. Right? Vapor. Okay, guys. So when we boil the eggs, this is the pot and there is eggs. So we just heat them up, okay? So when we heat them up, there is water go like this.
Yes.
Okay? So this is vapor, okay? Oh yes, the water in the air. Okay? The water in the air is a vapor. It's same words. Okay. And last, read next words.
Quick.
Quick.
Something fast.
Yeah, do something fast. You know, quickly, right? Quickly, quick service, doing something very quickly, fast. Good. And Dorothy, next word.
Push.
Push.
Press against something to move it.
Okay, guys, circle press against, okay? The push is like this. I'm just pushing the door, okay? This is press against, okay? So circle the press against. This is the push. Push and press something. The same word. Okay, and last word is turn into. Okay, turn into. It is develop into something. This is a phrase. Okay, this is phrase. Okay, so when we heat the water, actually water is a liquid, but later it turns into vapor. Okay, so turn into. It changed, guys. Turn into is the same meaning of change, right? The word changing. Changing. Turn into is the same meaning of change. Okay, so time is up.
Yes.
So guys, please write down this homework, okay? So the vocabulary and the dictation. So we are going to take a test and check the Unit 7 dictation. Next class, okay? Sticker. Yes. Okay, guys.
Today a reader, tomorrow a leader. SSET English Town.